You have heard the headlines. You have seen the panic. They are telling you that AI is coming for your job. They say it will replace millions of workers. They say it will change the global economy forever. But here is the shocking truth that big tech is desperately trying to hide from you. A groundbreaking new study just found that AI fails at 96% of real-world tasks. That means the vast majority of AI is virtually useless for most high-level jobs. Today, we are going to uncover exactly why this is happening. We will reveal how human workers are still entirely in control, and we will expose the multi-million-dollar AI failures that major companies do not want you to see. Stick around until the end, because the final AI failure I am going to show you will shock even the most hardcore tech experts. Welcome to the AI economy. We are the only channel exposing the hidden forces shaping your money, your job, and global power in the artificial intelligence era. If you want to understand the reality of AI before it shifts the global wealth structure, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's dive in. For the last 3 years, AI has been aggressively sold to us as the ultimate unstoppable job killer. Look at the major McKinsey reports from 2025. The narrative was clear. Automation is inevitable. White-collar workers, creatives, and programmers were told to pack their bags. The biggest tech monopolies on Earth, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon, marketed these tools not as experimental software, but as must-have automation. Wall Street panicked, and investors poured hundreds of billions of dollars into AI startups. They were placing massive bets that human labor would soon be completely obsolete. They wanted you to believe that an algorithm could do your job faster, cheaper, and better. But here is what almost no one on the internet is talking about. Ori. Most of these AI tools are completely incapable of performing complex, real-world tasks reliably. In fact, when deployed in the real world without human supervision, these systems aren't just failing. They are creating catastrophic cascading errors that are costing industries millions of dollars. Let's look at the data. In early 2026, the Galaxy AI study was published. It was designed to test advanced AI models across hundreds of real-world freelance tasks. Not basic prompts, real jobs. The results sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley. The AI succeeded independently in only 3.75% of the tasks it was given. It failed 96.25% of the time when the job required human judgment, contextual creativity, or real-world problem-solving. Let me show you exactly what that looks like. Take software engineering. When asked to write isolated scripts, AI looks like a genius. But when asked to integrate that code into a massive, pre-existing corporate database, the AI generates buggy, incomplete programs that hallucinate functions that don't even exist. What about graphic design? AI can make a pretty picture. But when a brand needs an exact layout, specific hex codes, layered files, and cultural context, the AI completely ignores the brief. In content creation, AI pumps out repetitive, soulless text. Without a human to inject personality and verify facts, it is just generating high-level SEO spam, and sometimes straight-up plagiarizing competitors. The study proved one undeniable fact. AI is a fantastic brainstorming partner, but it is a terrible employee. And the worst part? Companies that ignored this data and fired their staff are now losing millions because of these exact failures. Let's look at the real-world financial damage. Case study number 1. A mid-sized e-commerce brand decided to fire their media buyers and let an AI agent manage their ad spend. According to Marketing AI Insights, the AI lacked the human context to understand seasonal trends. It aggressively bid on the wrong keywords during a micro-trend, burning through $500,000 in a single week with zero return on investment. Case study number 2. A tech startup used an AI coding assistant to push a minor update to their checkout architecture without human peer review. The AI introduced a critical loop error. The entire platform crashed. They suffered a 2-day total downtime during a major holiday sale, costing them over $1 million in lost revenue. Case study number 3. We all remember the airline and delivery companies that tried to replace customer service with generative AI chatbots. These bots hallucinated company policies, promised illegal refunds to angry clients, and in some cases, actively insulted the users. The companies were legally bound to honor the bots' promises, resulting in massive financial payouts and destroyed brand trust. In every single scenario, the conclusion is the same. Humans drastically outperform AI when it comes to critical thinking, damage control, and nuanced judgment. And yet, corporations continue to pour billions into these tools, praying for full automation. Why? Because they don't understand how AI actually thinks. To protect your career, you need to understand exactly why AI fails. It comes down to 3 fatal flaws. First, a complete lack of context. An AI does not live in the real world. It does not understand human emotion, office politics, or the subtle tone of an angry client email. It only predicts the next logical word in a sentence. Second, absolute creativity limits. AI cannot improvise. If a marketing campaign fails on day 1, a human can pivot, brainstorm a crazy new angle, and save the day. An AI simply continues to execute the failed parameters it was given. Third, data bias. An AI is only as smart as the historical data it was trained on. This leads to terrifying real-world consequences. A 2026 Harvard study highlighted how AI diagnostic tools, trained on incomplete demographic data, were actively misclassifying medical records. Without human doctors catching the errors, this would lead to massive, widespread misdiagnoses. In cybersecurity, AI coding assistants routinely suggest code that contains decades-old security vulnerabilities because they were trained on outdated open-source forums. The machine is fast, but it is blind. It requires a human pilot. And there is one specific AI failure that could endanger entire global supply chains if left unchecked. I will reveal exactly what that is in just a moment. So, where does this leave you? The truth is, your job is not going away, but it is transforming. We are entering the era of the Centaur. The hybrid model. Humans combined with AI. The workers who get fired won't be replaced by an AI. They will be replaced by a human who knows how to manage an AI. To guarantee your wealth and job security in 2026 and beyond, you must focus on the skills a machine cannot replicate: critical thinking, deep creative strategy, and AI oversight. The best graphic designers aren't ignoring AI. They use it to generate 30 rough background concepts in 10 seconds, and then they use their human brilliance to combine, refine, and perfect the final product. Elite programmers are using AI to write the boring, repetitive boilerplate code, while they act as the architect, reviewing, fixing, and securing the system. Investigative journalists use AI to summarize 1,000-page court documents in seconds, but the human writes the emotional, hard-hitting story. Companies that fire their staff and blindly trust AI's 96% failure rate will bankrupt themselves. But the companies and the solo entrepreneurs who understand how to pilot these tools will completely dominate their markets. Earlier, I promised you the most shocking AI failure. The biggest failure isn't a chatbot crashing a website or an algorithm losing $500,000. The ultimate failure is the human who refuses to adapt. The business owner who ignores this technology out of fear. So the next time a headline screams that AI is going to take your job, remember the data. AI fails at 96% of complex real-world tasks. The machine needs you. The real risk is not the algorithm replacing you. It is you failing to use the algorithm to become unstoppable. The future of the economy belongs to those who see through the hype and understand the truth. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, secure your income, and navigate the massive wealth transfer happening right now, you need to subscribe to the AI economy.